Good evening, everybody. Hope you have a wonderful day. It's Wednesday, March 9th, 2022. It's around 6 p.m. and the temperature is 28 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. This is a neighborhood at Myanmar Goni Street in Mingala, Taungnyunt Township, Yangon, Myanmar. This is one of the bustling area in Yangon. As you can see, lots of vendors on both sides of the street. There are some street food stalls on the right side. Most of Muslim community people live in this township. Quite busy traffic today. Nice gentle breeze blowing around. It's a comfortable weather today. As you can see, lots of street food stalls on both sides of the street. It's a busy atmosphere now. People buy their daily necessary stuffs while walking across this street. A fruit seller is selling various kinds of fruits: apple, orange, strawberry, some watermelon. Hello, Mingala.
Mingala.
How much this watermelon?
500.
500 here.
Okay.
Okay. People are buying some fruits. Potatoes and onion, garlic, this kind of spices are available here. The seller is selling chicken egg. A vegetable seller. The seller is selling various kinds of flowers. Rose. Excuse me. Hello, Mingala. How much is the rose? Pilaule rose 2000. One piece 2000. Oh, very expensive. All kinds of vegetables are available here. As you can see, tomatoes, cauliflowers, pumpkins are available here. Flower, this one? 600. Okay. It's a wonderful evening now. Sun already set. People come with friends and families, get together. On the right side, it's a Tamil Hindu temple. Some Myanmar trishos. People are eating street foods, sitting beside the road. It's a bustling neighborhood. It's a busy traffic and a busy evening now. Some egg sellers. Street vendor is selling various kinds of snacks, puri, paratha. It's a bean paratha, right? Excuse me. Philaule?
Yeah, 400.
400. This is Moglai paratha. Moglai paratha. As you can see, lots of street food stalls here. A fish barbecue salad. Excuse me. How much this fish barbecue? 300 or 3,000?
3,500.
3,500. Is it tilapia?
Tilapia.
Okay. This is tilapia barbecue, 3,500 here. Chicken barbecue. Is it chicken barbecue?
Chicken.
How much?
1,200.
1,200.
200.
This one how much? This one?
1,200.
1,200. Is it halal?
Halal.
Halal. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Some chicken salad. This is the fish barbecue salad. Vendor is selling various kinds of snacks. What? street vendor is preparing Indian dosa.
Yeah.
Hello, Mingala.
Mingala.
How much this dosa?
How much? 400.
400 here. These are some puri. Hello, Mingala. How much this puri? 500 here. These are some puri. Curries. On the right side it's a clothing store. On the right side a seller is selling various kinds of bananas. There are some fruit sellers on the left side. Pineapple, watermelon, melon, dragon fruit, berry, orange. On the right side there are some clothing stores. Various kinds of garments, accessories and clothing are available here. Street vendor is preparing various kinds of snacks. Mingala, how much this snack?
200.
200.
Coconut.
And sugar. Okay. A seller is selling rabbits. Rabbit? One rabbit?
115.
15,000?
Yeah.
15,000 here.
90,000.
Is it Burmese
Yeah.
rabbit? Oh, okay. A seller is selling jackfruit. Mingala, how much this jackfruit? This one? Pelaule? 1,000. Okay. On the right side, these are some clothing store. Some leather products. Street food vendor is selling various kinds of chicken. Hello, Mingala. How much this chicken?
7,000.
Whole chicken? Whole chicken how much? 7,000?
Yeah, 7,000, 8,000,
8,000.
1,000, 2,000,
1,000 one stick, 1 gram stick.
1,000.
that's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
Không có chào